So if you saw the service video to this Transcom GBX4000, it's one from the Trucking and Farming Company, and it's in an immaculate box, which would be wonderful if I could show you where it is. These have a permanent Roger bleep, like the Mustang 1000 and Mustang 2000, Mustang 3000. I think you'll find they're identical to the Mustang 2000, but they're not as garish. The Transcom GBX4000 is a great GT868, so it's a very, very different beast to this, which is a Cybernet 002F made in Japan. Oh yes, there's the box. You don't see many boxes for a Transcom GBX4000. Over to Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger Dodger, just making sure.
Roger that, and you've got an Amstrad type Roger bleep.
Let's see whether that's the right socket. I'm just plugging in the extension speaker.
Yeah, roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Ready now. Now if I was too quick for you.
Roger, there's traffic anyway. That's in the house and recording.
Roger on that, I've got a tone control on this.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane.
Bass, yeah.
The end of it.
Less
Now back in
bassy.
the passing place and doggy daycare.
Full treble. Roger on that. It uses the same board that a genuine Amstrad uses. It's Cybernet 002F, but it isn't an Amstrad. I'll reveal that later. I'll also say that the bleep isn't switchable.
Yeah, so I'm trying to wrap my brains which one that is, because I should know.
And it's not a Mustang.
Alright, that was the one I was thinking of, so that all will be revealed at Scratchy Corner. Right, we're on the main road from the end of the lane.
Roger on that.
All will be revealed at Scratchy Corner. Right, we're on the main road from the end of the lane. Roger on that. It's brilliant thing from Mastermind. I don't think there's another radio that anybody else would think about that isn't the Mustang with the permanent Roger bleep using the 002F Cybernet board. Yeah, roger that. Right, we're about to pass Ancaster service station 135.9 and 145.9. Roger on that, and there's just a glimmer of light. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads. Roger on that.
Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I'm on
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on Transcom GBX4000 from 1981, which uses a Cybernet 002F chassis, made in Japan. I'm on the standard replacement mic. The radio's doing 3.8 watts output over.
Yep, roger that. No received, no problems. No, I didn't know that model, so I've heard of it, but I didn't know it was a Amstrad chassis.
There is another Transcom, the GBX4000, and it's a great GT858. There's a big contrast between one and the other, just like there is with the Barracudas over.
Yeah, roger, that's probably what I'm thinking of, to be honest. Have we done a 4000 before?
We have, I sold it about 18 months ago, I think it was.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger that. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, I've got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie went out the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this Transcom GBX4000, using the Cybernet 002F chassis, doing 3.8 watts, doing 1.3 amp. We're going to go to low power, and you can tap up the back. So I've got to find the switch. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power, doing 300 milliwatts. That's 300 milliwatts. Radio's now drawing 600 milliamps. That's full power. There we are, back on full power, over.
Roger that, no problems on full power. Fairly clear on low power as well, but it's quiet on the band.
It makes all the difference. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, petrol 141.9, diesel 149.7.
Roger that, we're fine, thank you very much. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end today, please? Over.
Yep, petrol 141.9, diesel 149.7.
Roger, that worked fine, thank you very much. 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Good, well, you can't argue with that. Now the mic's not as immaculate as the radio, and it is the correct mic. It doesn't just say Transcom, it is the correct mic. It's the typical Cybernet 002 mic you would get with this, the Mustangs, the Harvard base stations, and so on. Harvard 402 MPA. So we'll go to our Midland base station and see what it sounds like on the 76900. I'll use both mics.
Tango 21, testing the Transcom GBX4000 into our Midland 76900 base station. This is using our standard replacement mic, as I've been using throughout this test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to now swap microphones and we'll go with the Transcom original. With the factory original microphone, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They have a Transcom GBX4000. We've got a Harvard 400M, I think, has come in the